So I want to initiate a new recording, a new Tegrity recording. I'm going to record a class, and I'm logged into Angel, and on the course tab I'm going to click on the Tegrity nugget, and that will take a minute for it to come up. When it does, I can see now in my Tegrity window here a list of all of the recordings that I've made previously, and by default the recording, these are for this class. I can see the name of my class here. And by default, the names of the recordings are the date and time that I initiated the recording. So I could play one of these recordings. I could view it, which is what the students can do. I can also choose to make a new recording here. So I'll click on that, and that will bring up a dialog box that will let me set the course that I want this to be associated with. I've got lots of courses in Angel. The title, like I said, by default, the date and time of recording. Do I want to use my my video camera or use a picture instead? Various settings like this. I can test my audio, and then I can hit record a class, which will bring up the actual recorder. Note also that I don't actually have to be logged into Angel in order to initiate a Tegrity recording. If I've got the recorder installed on the computer I'm using, on the system tray, which you can just sort of barely see down here, the Start a Tegrity recording is one of my choices if I right-click on the Tegrity icon and I hit Start Recording. And this brings up the same recording dialog box that I see when I initiate a recording from within Angel. And at a minimum, I need to select the course that I want this recording to go into. I can choose whether I want to change the default title. Do I want to use the webcam or use a picture instead? And then when I'm ready, I click record a class, and it takes it a few seconds to get started. Now notice that I don't have a Tegrity window on my computer right now. I don't have a way to really to see what it is I'm recording, but what's happening is that everything that's displayed on my computer monitor or the overhead and my webcam and a timeline of the recording it's all being recorded now. And when I'm done, I can, down here I have some choices. I can pause the recording or hit stop. And when I hit stop, then I'll have the choice to save this recording or upload it, to preview it, and delete it. Note that faculty or Tegrity's advice is that you just go ahead and walk into the room, start your lecture capture at the end of the lecture, upload it without previewing it or thinking that you need to do a lot of editing, because the goal is not to have a highly polished finished product, but just to get the raw video feed out. Now it's telling me here now that I see that the recording is completed and that it will be uploaded later, and I can see that there's a sort of a little spinning symbol on the Tegrity tool to tell me that it's in the process of uploading. Note that you don't have to have a connection to the internet or network in order to use Tegrity. If you have it installed on your laptop, say, and no connection currently, then you can make recordings and then upload them later when your computer is connected to the internet or to the network. Okay, that's sort of to sum things up. I went back into Angel and into Tegrity, and I wanted to look at what I actually recorded here a few minutes ago. So if I go in and look, I see this recording. I can open the recording, and I can click on the play button here, and now it's taking me into the Tegrity player. A Tegrity window on my computer right now. I don't have a way really to see what it is I'm recording, but what's happening is that everything that's displayed on my computer monitor or the overhead and my webcam and a timeline of the recording it's all being recorded now. And so there you have it. That's what it looks like.